Good day po teachers, welcome back po again dito sa Learning Pal where we share latest DepEd news and updates and also free educational material. So ngayon po ay quick update lang po tayo regarding po sa issue again against our PBB year 2022 and 2023. So ito po ay according po sa Philippine News Agency ng ating government. So makikita po natin dito sa kanilang website yung kanilang update about PBB 2022-2023 dated June 12, 2024. So ito po ay pinost last 2 days to give clarifications and maging clear po sa atin about po yung ating PBB 2022 and 2023. So marami po sa atin na nagulat nang maglabas po ang ating President BBM ng pag-suspend po sa implementation of the result-based performance management and performance-based incentive PBI system. So ibig sabihin po ay suspended po yung mga susunod na PBB and other government incentives, yung ating performance-based incentive. Dahil daw po ay para raw i-review at maging maayos at mabilis yung pag-process na ating mga pagbigay ng result na ating performance. So, ang question po sa atin, teachers and other government workers is kung matutuloy po ba yung pagbibigay ng PBB 2022 and 2023 and even yung ating performance incentive or yung ano po natin the enhancement incentive. So dito po sa kanilang article makikita po natin na ini-emphasize po, no? We wish to emphasize that the release of the 2022 and 2023 performance-based incentives to qualified government workers in the government will proceed. That's according po sa DBM, sa Department Budget of Management. So, para mawala na po yung ating mga haka-haka and mga mga sinaalang-alang sa ating isipin about our PBB 2022 and 2023. And how about po yung ating PI? So, malaking bagay rin po ito dahil ito po yung dagdag po, no, sa ating mga incentive. So, sabi po rin dito, the issuance of 2024 Productivity Enhancement Incentive will also proceed as a DBM already comprehensively released to government is the budget allocation for the annual bonus. So, tayo po yung magbunyi dahil meron pa rin po tayong PBB 2022 and 2023 and even PI 2024 this coming December 15. Yun po. So, ito po yung magandang balita dahil tayo po ay matagal lang umaasa dito po sa ating performance-based bonus year 2022 and 2023. So yun na po at maraming salamat and please subscribe po and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo sa mga bagong balita, no, about our Department of Education and for free educational materials. Maraming salamat po.